Hello, and thanks for stopping by today. My name is Sandy, and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing an unboxing of the Nespresso Vertuo Next by Breville, and I have it in matte black. And I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a review of it, basically like a comparison between this one and the older or the original Vertuo line. And I'm also going to be setting up a small coffee station. So if you're interested in seeing how it comes together, then sit back, relax, and keep watching. The machine comes very nicely packaged. This did come through the mail, but they had it packaged very nicely to keep the machine safe. Now, one thing that I will say about this machine, you're going to see that it is definitely more streamlined than the original Vertuo line. This one is about 9 pounds, whereas the original is 11 pounds. So it is a lot more portable and lighter to move around on your coffee station. Now, this machine did come with some courtesy coffee to kind of get you started, which is a nice thing because these machines cost enough. They should give you that. Now, this machine is a little less expensive than the original. The original Vertuo is still running around $199. This one is running $169.95. And that price is for the coffee maker only. If you get the Aeroccino with it, it's $219.95. So, and this one did come with that. So you can get the coffee maker on its own for the $169. So here it is in all its beauty, black matte, which is really, really pretty. Now you can see with this machine, the water tank is in the back. So when you have the machine on your countertop, you can't see that. So that's kind of nice. You also cannot see the reservoir that holds the pods because it's inside the machine. You pull it out to see that. I'll show you that in a second. So I'm filling it up with water, and the water reservoir is about 37 ounces. Which is a little bit smaller than the original one, but not by much. The original one is about 40 ounces for the water tank, so just a little bit smaller, but see how it fits there in the back, which is nice to keep that nice sleek look. The operating mechanism where you put your coffee in and everything is basically the same. Nothing has really changed there. So here's the Aeroccino machine or milk frother, and this is the third, I guess, generation of it or whatever. But it basically works exactly the same. The look of this is hasn't really changed that much if you've had the older ones, but it just plugs in and you set it on there and you're able to froth your milk, which is really nice to have when you're making your coffees or you're trying to make lattes or whatever. It's a very nice feature to have. So now we get to the part where I decorate the coffee station. Coffee just tastes better when it comes off of a little tray, or just have a nice little setup or whatever. I just love having that experience with my coffee every morning. Even though I'm not at my home right now, I'm at my son's home, and so I'm setting up their coffee station for the first time. They just moved in, so this is one of my contributions in the unpacking process. We are all lovers of coffee, and we like to have a variety of different types of coffee, as well as coffee syrups and things like that, just to make different types of morning drinks. All right, so if you've not seen how an espresso works, that's exactly how you put your pod in there and then you lock it into place. I'm trying to do this with one hand while I hold the camera, so bear with me, but it just basically locks into place. You put your mug there, you press one button, and the coffee begins to brew. And this is the cup of happy. I love this mug. Of course, this is by Ray Dunn, and it's from Home Goods. I think it's like $4.99. I love Ray Dunn. And now Nespresso comes with different types of pods. You can get like the espresso size, the regular cup size. You can get a longo, double espressos. They have all of those different things, but it doesn't matter. Either way, you just flip your pod in there, and the machine automatically adjusts to accommodate the various sizes. Some other facts about this machine is it does have Bluetooth, so you are able to pair it with your iPhone or your Android. The machine heats up very, very quickly, and it reaches the optimal brewing temperature in about 20 seconds. So that's really, really cool. It also has a descaling alert that lets you know when it's time to descale the machine. Now, when you are done with your coffee, you see that it automatically ejects, which was how the other one worked. And then you just open that side and you can see where your pod went. But it's really nice to be able to do that and not see your pods, whereas with the original one, you would see the pods in the receptacle right there on the side, which wasn't a big deal, but it's kind of cool not to have to see that. So that's how that works. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and me putting together this small coffee station. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Also, if you're not currently subscribed, I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. Just hit that subscribe button before you leave today, as well as the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. And if you're a returning family member, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate your support. And I hope to see each and every one of you over here on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.